I found a new YouTube channel that started posting Ghibli animated stories 3 months ago, and currently, they've uploaded only 8 videos, and they have been able to get 16,000 subscribers. One of their most popular videos was uploaded 2 months ago, and that video has 3 million views. The last video I made about Ghibli animation was about this channel, and that time, they uploaded just 15 videos. Now they have 23 videos posted, and they have been able to get 95,000 subscribers, which is impressive. For those of you who are still wondering if this channel is monetized, you can see here that the join button is still here. So in this video, if you are interested in starting a Ghibli animation channel, I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. All you need to do is watch the entire video to know exactly how to start a channel like this. But first, let me show you guys what I was able to create.
It looks so good!
Thank you, Mom.
Alright, so grab a cup of coffee and let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. The first step is to come up with an idea. I've already prepared a prompt for you. All you need to do is copy the prompt and come to ChatGPT. Paste it here, and ChatGPT is going to give you 4 or 5 Ghibli video ideas. But I highly recommend you write it yourself or come up with your own story because that is going to help your video feel unique and original. Alright, so once you have your video idea, the next thing we need to do is to generate your prompt that you're going to use to create your visuals. To do that, I've already created a prompt for you. It will be in the Google Doc file below. Just copy the prompt and come back to ChatGPT. So what you just need to do is paste the prompt here and then go to the idea that you like. Just pick it and come back here and paste it. Now you can click on Generate, and immediately you do that. ChatGPT is going to start generating your scene prompt. If you look at the prompt instructions, you see that I instructed it to give Studio Ghibli-inspired hand-drawn animation, high detail, 2D. Now this is what I asked it to put in all the prompts, so you're going to have all of them in this style. So now that you have your image prompt, the next thing we need to do now is to generate the image and also convert the image to animation. To generate our image, I'm going to be using Top View AI. You can get the link in the video description below, and I'm also going to do well to pin it in the comments section. If you don't have an account, you have to sign up. So when you log in for the first time, this is what you're going to see. Create any video, just tell your agent. It's as simple as that. Now I'll show you how to generate your images and also convert the images into an animation. But first, as you can see, there are a lot of videos you can generate with Top View AI. You can create social media content, add videos, e-commerce themes, AI UGC videos, explainer videos, corporate videos, local service, etc. But for this video, we want to create a Ghibli animation, and the easiest way to do that is to use the AI agent, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So first, click on the AI image at the top here to select, and what you just need to do now is go back to the ChatGPT page where you generated your visual prompt and copy it. Copy the first one, come back to Top View AI, and paste it here. Now, before you generate, you need to make some selections. If you click on GPT Image 2, you can choose from the different options here. We have Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2. This is the new one, so we are going to be using this. Once you select your image module, the next thing you want to do is select your aspect ratio. For this video, we are going to leave it in 16:9. For the resolution, you can go with 4K if you have enough credits, but if you have very few credits and you're managing your credits, you can go with 2K. Once you're done with that, just click on the Generate button here, and immediately, Top View is going to start generating your first image. As you can see, I have a lot of generations. I've generated my images and videos. I'm just going to show you exactly how to do that for yourself. The first image is generating. What you just need to do is go back to the prompt and copy the second image. You just need to keep doing this. paste it here, and just click on Generate. Let me show you guys how to convert these images into an animation. The thing is, you don't need to go anywhere. You can do everything on this page. Now what you just need to do is move your mouse to the first image so you don't get confused and come down to where you see Create Video. Once you click on it, it's going to automatically change the interface here to AI Video. Before, it was AI Image. Now we have AI Video at the top. Here we have 3 modules that you can select. We have Reference Image to Video, Text to Video. We are going to be using Reference. So as you can see, we have already referenced the image. What we just need to do is go back to the prompt, the first prompt we used in generating this image. We are still going to be using the prompt to generate the video, so just copy it and paste the prompt here. Once you have a prompt here, the aspect ratio we are still going to leave at 16:9, and then the duration we're going to leave it at 15. But if you want your duration to be shorter, you can drop it to 8 or 9, whichever one fits your preference. So after that, the resolution, you can increase it to 180p, but this is going to cost you more credits to generate the animation, so if you have enough credits, go for it. Okay, so for the auto scale, currently it is off. When you turn it on, it's going to add a little credit to your generation that you're going to spend. So if you don't want to auto scale, you can also remove it. Sorry guys, I forgot the most important part here, which is selecting your module. It's at the top here. Currently, we are on Seedance 2.0, which I feel like is the best. You can go with one you like, but honestly, Seedance 2.0 is just the best. So that is why I'm selecting it in this video, and you will see why, because it's going to make this video look so engaging and entertaining. Alright, so once you have every other setting done to where you want, you can just simply click on Generate here to start generating your animation. To generate the second image animation, all you need to do is make sure you come here to upload the reference. Make sure you remove this image and come down to where the second image is and click on Generate Video here. Immediately, it is going to be tagged here. Then, what you just need to do is come down to the prompt section, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, and come back to Top View AI and paste the prompt you copied. Every other setting can be as it is, and just come down to Generate and click it, and your second animation is going to start generating. Let me show you guys the animation that I just generated. As you can see, it looks very nice. So once we have all the animations that we need, we are going to simply come to the top here, where you see Download, and just keep clicking them until you download all the animations into your device. To put the video together, you can use any video editing software of your choice. For this video, I'm going to be using CapCut, dragging all the animations you created in Top View AI, and simply adding them into the timeline one after the other, just like this. Make sure you add them accordingly so it's going to make sense. And once you're done, you can simply click on Export and save the video to your device. Now, the process I just showed you is the exact step Ghibli Dailies is using to make their videos. If you want to try out Top View AI, click on the link in the pinned comment below. And if you haven't watched the first video I made about Ghibli animation, click here.